Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the iPhone settings you should turn off and enable before your phone is stolen. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, then scroll down to Stolen Device Protection and make sure it's enabled. This adds an extra layer of security if someone tries to change important settings after stealing your iPhone. While you're still in the Face ID and Passcode menu, scroll to Allow Access when locked and turn off Control Center. This prevents anyone from opening the Control Center from the lock screen, making it harder for a thief to enable airplane mode and disconnect your iPhone from the internet. Finally, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, Share My Location, and then Find My iPhone. Turn on Find My Network and Send Last Location. These features let you locate your iPhone even when it's offline or powered off, and automatically send its last known location before the battery dies. So that's basically how you can turn off this iPhone setting before it's stolen. That's it for this video. Thanks.